A request to all my viewers, click subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next upload. Hey guys, I'm Ajinkya Dikshit and this is my channel, Ajink's Artist. Yes, it's really me. So I'm on Tekdi after I think 3 months now. I'm here to find the fan-throated lizards. The chances are very bleak because there are some sheep and goats staying here, plus people are boys are playing cricket, and there's certainly a huge habitat loss. So I'm doubtful I'll get to see anything. It's also not the right season technically. So still my friends were here a few days back. They saw some lizard activity, so I'm hoping I'll get to see some. So stay tuned, let's go find out something. So guys, if you can see there are a bunch of photographers looking for the lizards. So if there is some activity, it's going to be there. Let's go and find out. So there is definitely some activity. The photographers are waiting. I think there's one male for sure. Let's go and find out. There's one lizard in the rock patch here, and all of these photographers are waiting for it. So this is the male, and literally all the photographers crowding this one guy. चारों तरफ से घेर लिया था इसे. I didn't feel like waiting here for long, so I took some shots and quickly moved on. After going further, I found our hero, literally a showstopper, a supermodel for me, posing and fanning and doing all sorts of stuff just for me. Lucky me. In nature or wildlife, there are these perfect moments that you cannot create. The sunlight coming at the right time, me finding the aggressive male, and the lizard not being a shy creature like the other one that we saw initially. So I felt very happy about finding this guy and the sun coming out at the right time, and for a change, things working out for me. Like a total rock star, this guy takes up the stage, the center stage of his territory, and just struts and fans and does all kinds of dance. This guy is amazing, and I'm loving every moment that I'm observing him. These are moments in wildlife that you wish you want to see them, and finally when you do, you feel content. He must be saying, ये मेरा इलाका है और मैं यहाँ का beatbox king. Mic drop. Look at him go. He takes his time. He waits for the right moment. He finds the right height, the right stage for his performance, and just goes banging, bang, 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 bang. It's just amazing to watch the amount of energy this guy can create. The blue and green gradient in the background, the amazing light falling at the perfect angle, and this guy doing his thing. That's it, the moment for me. Guys, this is very exciting. The lizard is just sitting 10 feet, less than 10 feet away from me and continuously panning. There's a female around here, but I don't see another male. So maybe I won't get to see a territorial fight, but definitely chances of mating are high. It's not the season, but that is the reason I'm surprised and excited as well. So stay tuned, I will check what else we can see. So this fan that grows on the lizards is not a permanent thing. If you don't already know this, the fan grows only for mating season, which is from February to July, I think. The rest of the year, the lizards are very common, very dull colors. Even the yellows fade out. You won't be able to recognize them like fan-throated lizards. He just takes off. It's so crazy and so freaking fast. It's so hard to focus them. Holding the camera, the lens, the big lens, and mounting it on the tripod, continuously following him and keeping the focus. It's tough. I followed this guy around for almost 2 hours and he gave some great shots like you can see there. After that, the sun disappeared and he got very slow, very low. Didn't fan a lot because probably he was low on energy. As you may know, these are cold-blooded creatures, so they get all their energy from the heat of the sun. Okay guys, we have some exciting footage here. Thanks to my friend Akshay Gotkindi. Go follow him on Instagram. He's an amazing wildlife photographer. I'll try some live commentary. One of these guys is our hero and they must be saying to each other, "Hey, तू मेरे इलाके में क्या कर रहा है? बॉडी देख मेरी, फैन देख मेरा फैन, बन जा मेरा फैन." No, this is a mistake. पुणेकर लिझर्ड्स आहेत, सो शुद्ध भाषेत बोलत असतील ते. हे तू माझ्या राज्यात काय करतोयस? चालता हो इथून. भाषा ही शुद्धच हवी, एक पुणेरी लिझर्ड. So this was the first slow-mo clip. Let's move to the main action sequence. These guys have eyes on the side, so they come across to each other and just go crazy. Lots of biting and scratching and crazy jumps. Oh man, look at those reflexes. I'm sounding a bit South Indian, but those reflexes are amazing. That's spring energy from the solar. Oh, wow. So much happens in a moment. We can't see this unless we slow it down. That last jump, man. Oh, epic. This is great footage, Akshay. Thanks again. सो गाईज, सगळे लोक निघून गेलेत, त्यामुळे बर्ड ॲक्टिव्हिटी, आवाज सगळे वाढलेत. नैसर्गिक मागे सिंहगड उत्कृष्ट ॲज ऑलवेज. आय वेट फॉर सम टाईम नाव. आर मेल इज स्टिल हिअर समवेअर. आय एम नॉट शुअर. आय हॅवंट फाउंड द सेकंड मेल or both of them in the same frame, so I'm hoping I'll get to see some action, some fighting, some territorial fight between them. If not, we'll head back, but let's wait for some time. So guys, I saw the third male as well, but he ran away before the first. Our aggressive male could come close to him, so no fight this time, but I'll see if I find any friends who have got the video, so I'll try to incorporate that video here as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. You'll see me next time. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.